What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how to configure UDP in ZIVPN without paying a penny. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on the notification bell for future updates. And now let's jump into the tutorial. So before we proceed, sorry for the Apple users because this app is not available for iOS. So Android users, you are leading, Apple users 1-0. So now proceed and open the Play Store on your phone and then search for ZIVPN. Tap on install and then wait for a couple of seconds for it to install on your phone. So after the app install on the phone, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on open. So once you open the app, these adverts will pop up. You are going to wait for some couple of seconds for it to complete. Then after it's complete, you're going to tap on continue to app. So now you're going to tap on deny to block ZIVPN to make and manage phone calls on your phone. So once you did that, you are going to see a welcome message on the screen. So what you're going to do is tap on any part of the screen and it will disappear. So from here, you are going to tap on the box beside UDP, as you can see is right here. So one thing that I like about this ZIVPN app is it comes with its preloaded servers. So at the top right here, you are going to click on this arrow and this will bring a drop down of servers from different countries. So you are going to browse through it and then select one that you prefer. So once you choose the server, you are going to click on start and wait for a couple of seconds for it to connect. But if in case the server do not connect and stop immediately, you have to go back and select another server. So once you choose another server and it connects, it will display an ad. So you are going to wait for the ad to complete. So once the ad finishes playing, the close button will appear here at the top. So continue and tap on it. Now you are connected to the UDP server of ZIVPN and you can now use it to do anything that you want on the internet. And I hope this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for future updates, and I will see you on the next tutorial soon. Peace.